Hello students, welcome back to our social science class. As we discuss our class 9th economics chapter 2nd, people as resource. Let's recall our first part of video. Okay, in that part we studied about that as a people how they play a role of resource, because in this criteria we include only working population. Okay, we categorize human resource in two parts, asset and liability. In asset we include through investment what we are doing and increase our human capital. Okay, that was education, healthcare and training. These were the three important investment we do for the future benefits. Okay, and increase our human capital. And in liability we discuss about that which population include in liability. In liability we include unhealthy and uneducated population. Okay, this was the important point we discussed in previous part. We already discussed about that green revolution. Green revolution is the result of we invest in education. Okay, our scientists do various invention in the high yield varieties seed to increase the production of the grain, irrigation facilities, and this was the result of the investment in the education. Okay, in next we studied about the story of Shakal and Vilas. These were the story of Shakal and Vilas. They were the two friends. Shakal father did investment in his education, but Vilas father passed away when he was 2 years old, and Shakal became a software engineer in future, and his earning was also a high paid service. But Vilas became a fisherman because his family did not pay any attention regarding his education, and he became only a simple fisherman. Okay, these important points we studied in the previous part. Let's start the second part of this chapter. In this chapter we will study about the classification of economic activities. Economic activities, economic हमने previous class में study किया. What is the meaning of economic? Related to the money. And activities, those activities through which we earn money. These are known as economic activities through which we earn money. There are the different type of work we earn money. Okay, and these economic activities classified into three important sectors. First is primary sector, second is secondary sector, and third is tertiary sector. In 9th class in your chapter there are the in present time there are 5 economic activities, but in your syllabus we studied only the 3 economic activities. Okay, primary economic activities, as you understood from this point, what is the meaning of primary? Primary means basic, like your primary education, primary healthcare center, basic requirement. Okay, this is directly related to the land. Okay, what was the work? Agriculture. If I am a farmer, in which economic activities I will be categorized in primary economic activities? Mining, to extract minerals from the mines, and forestry, if we gather food from the forest area, and wood cutting work. This type of work we include in the primary activities. Animal husbandry, related to the rearing of animal to earn money. This is known as the primary activities. Primary activities is directly related to the land, and the example of primary activities are agriculture, mining, forestry and human husbandry. Okay, next is secondary economic activities. In secondary economic activities, which type of economic activities will be included? In this category we include related to the manufacturing and construction. Okay, in this part we include factories, industries where the products produce. Okay, if you are eating a bread, the factory which produce bread, this is known as the manufacturing and construction activity. Okay, if the you can say that paints, Asian Paints is a manufacturing, this will be included in the secondary activities. सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज मीन्स हम प्राइमरी जो हमारी गुड्स हैं उनको हम ट्रांसफर करते हैं अपने यूज के लिए. ओके, अगर अगर आप फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे आप शुगर केन को यूज कर रहे हो, शुगर केन इज अ रिलेटेड टू द एग्रीकल्चर. ओके, इट इज अ प्राइमरी, बट व्हेन वी मैन्युफैक्चर sugar from the sugar cane, this will be included in the secondary economic activity. Okay, sugar cane will be included in the primary activity, but sugar will be included in the secondary activities because we manufacture them. Okay, we transfer primary goods in the secondary for our use. Next will be the tertiary activity. In tertiary activities, there is a we will be include trade, communication, banking and commerce. Okay, trade, if we are doing transport work, okay, goods को transport करते हैं one place to another place, this work will be included in the tertiary activities. If we are going in a bank, this will be known as a tertiary activities because they are serving other, they provide service. Commerce related to the money. Communication, okay, communication, if you I am lecturing you, okay, this will be included in the tertiary activity. Okay, related to the communication work. I hope you understood this important classification of the economic activities. First is primary activities, second is secondary activities, third is tertiary activities. Okay, in primary activities directly related to the land, secondary activities related to the manufacturing and construction, and third is related to the service. Okay, and now we studied about the types of economic activities. Type of economic activities. Okay, these are the classification that if you are doing any type of work, in which category you will be categorized. This is known as the classification. But types of economic activities. Economic activities means through which you earn money. Okay, हमने स्टडी किया है through which we earn money. यहाँ पर क्या है कि टू टाइप्स की आप एक्टिविटीज तो हर कोई करता है, ठीक है, हम सब क्या करते हैं, कोई ना कोई वर्क करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो एक्टिविटीज है वो कैटेगराइज होंगे, आपके टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड होंगे. फर्स्ट इज मार्केट एक्टिविटीज एंड सेकंड इज नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटीज. मार्केट एक्टिविटीज में क्या है कि आपको कोई भी आप वर्क करते हो, किसी की भी आप हेल्प कर रहे हो. ओके, अगर सपोज कीजिए कि आप एक टीचर हो, ठीक है, आप एक टीचर हो, लेकिन अगर आपको अपना प्रोफेशन यूज करके आप मनी को अर्न कर रहे हो तो वो क्या होगी, मार्केट एक्टिविटीज. ओके, यू अर्न फ्रॉम मनी फ्रॉम दिस प्रोफेशन. ओके, अगर आप अपनी ही टीचिंग का यूज अपने बच्चों को टीच करने के लिए यूज करते हो, दिस विल बी नोन एज नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटीज. बिकॉज आप अपने बच्चों से पैसे नहीं ले रहे हो, आप उनको क्या कर रहे हो, फ्री सर्विस दे रहे हो. ओके, दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इकोनॉमिक एंड नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. आपके प्रोजेक्ट में भी ये थिंकिंग एक्टिविटीज में भी है ये मार्केट एक्टिविटीज एंड नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटीज. सपोज डॉक्टर हैं, वो अगर अपने पेशेंट के साथ डील करते हैं तो वहां से वो मनी को अर्न करें, लेकिन सेम प्रोफेशन वो अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, तो दिस विल बी नोन एज नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटीज. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. Difference between the market activities and non-market activities. Earn money, not earn money. Okay. This is the important difference between the economic activities. I hope you all understood these important points. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care.